This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by syncing and provoking the conflict so you can resolve it. First, check out your feature branch and fetch origin, then pull main. Once done, merge origin/main into your branch to surface conflicts. This helps because you must reconcile changes now versus later. You should inspect the listed conflicted files, open them in your editor, and identify conflict markers. Make sure to keep a calm approach. Resolving early avoids compounded merge complexity and hard to treat. You now edit each conflicted file where markers appear. Read the sections. The top is your code, the bottom is incoming changes. Choose one or craft a combined solution that preserves intent. Once you've edited, run local tests and linters to confirm behavior. This prevents regressions. After confirming, remove conflict markers and save. Make sure to add meaningful commit messages that explain why you chose this resolution, because team members will need context when reviewing the merge later. You finish by staging and committing the resolved files with a clear message about the conflict resolution. Once committed, run the full test suite and any build checks to ensure nothing broke, then push your branch. If CI or reviewers request changes, iterate quickly. If things go wrong during the merge, you can abort with git merge abort or reset to the pre-merge state. Alternatively, rebase carefully to keep history clean. Remember, communication with reviewers speeds final integration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.